Hey everyone, welcome to our channel where we provide the latest and greatest information about making money online. In this video, we are going to be discussing the top 3 best way to make money online. We'll provide all the detail you need to get started and start making some serious cash. So let's jump right into it. So method number 1, online freelancing. Our first method for making money online is through online freelancing. This method involves working as a freelancer and provide services to clients all over the world. Some popular freelancing platform includes Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. To get started, you will need to create a profile, showcase your skill and experience, and start bidding on projects. Some popular freelancers services includes web design, writing, graphic design, and social media management. Method number 2, affiliate marketing. Our second method or making money online is through affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting others people's products and services and earning a commission for every sale that you generate. To get started, you will need to find a product or service that you believe in and that has an affiliate program. Some popular affiliate networks includes Amazon Associate, ClickBank, and Commission Junctions. You can promote these products and services on your blog, social media, or through paid advertising. Method number 3, online courses and coaching. Our third and final method for making money online is through online courses and coaching. This method involves creating and selling your own online courses or coaching services. You can create courses and coaching programs on a variety of topics including business, personal development, and health and fitness. To get started, you will need to choose a topic, create your courses or program, and promote it to your targeted audience. You can sell your courses or coaching services on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and ThinkPick. So there you have it, the top 3 best way to make money online. Whether you decide to freelance, become an affiliate marketer, or create your own courses and coaching programs, the opportunity for making money online are endless. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content about making money online. Thank you for watching.